Amma and Akwasi, a true story of love, loss, and the lessons life teaches. This is the true story of Amma and Akwasi, a story that reminds us how unfair life can be, yet how the love and lessons of those we cherish continue to shape us even when they are no longer with us. Amma was born in 1947 in the quiet village of Adamf, nestled in Ghana's Ashanti region. At just 18, she married one of the village chief's sons, Akwasi Sr. Their marriage, like many, came with both joy and hardship, but through it all they stood by each other. Together they had 5 children. Tragically, one passed at a young age, leaving behind 4, 1 girl and 3 boys. This story, though, is about Amma and her youngest child, Akwasi. When Akwasi was just 7 years old, an innocent afternoon of play turned into something far more serious. Along with his friends, he went swimming in a nearby river, not knowing the water was contaminated. Later that night, Akwasi fell critically ill. He collapsed and woke up 3 days later in a hospital, unable to move, but with Amma sitting faithfully by his side. For weeks he had to relearn how to walk, how to use his arms, how to live again. And through every painful moment, Amma never left him. Her strength became his own. Years passed, and Akwasi became a man with a family of his own. Amma was now in her 70s, still strong in spirit. One Sunday morning she woke up early to do laundry, a task she had done 1,000 times. But that morning changed everything. She slipped and hit her head. The help came too late. She was first taken to a small clinic, and Akwasi wasn't even told until it was already night. By then Amma had suffered a stroke. Her right side was paralyzed and she could no longer speak. Akwasi, devastated, did everything he could. He found a specialist, moved her to a stroke recovery center, and for a moment there was hope. She started regaining slight movement in her leg, a small miracle that felt like a light in the darkness. Eventually, the doctors released her to go home. Looking back, Akwasi wishes he had said no. Just 2 weeks later, Amma passed away. Akwasi was shattered. The woman who once saved his life when he was just a boy, he now felt he couldn't save her. He blamed many people, but no one more than himself. He carried a weight of regret, for not fighting harder, for not being there sooner, for not hearing her voice one last time. Yes, I am Akwasi. Amma wasn't just my mother. She was my best friend, my protector, my partner in crime, and I never got to hear her voice again after that day. That silence follows me. There's so much more to this story, memories, laughter, moments we'll never get back, but here's what I want you to take away. Life is short. People matter more than anything else. If you love someone, tell them. If you're holding a grudge, let it go. Make memories. Share stories. Say the things you won't get the chance to say tomorrow. We're human, we make mistakes. But forgiveness is divine. If you still have your parents, siblings, friends, hold them close. Because when they're gone, all that remains are the memories you built together.